If you're looking for a cruise ship to be your next destination and vacation, here are 11 things you do not need to take with you. The first is formal wear. You don't have to, of course, go to your dinners dressed up unless you really, really want to. You don't have to wear a tux, a ball gown, all these types of things. You can just wear your casual clothes, your shoes, your shirt, just as long as you don't go in your swimming attire and flip flops. Number two is beach towels. Just know that the cruise ship that you're on, they usually provide beach towels, meaning that they'll give them to you, but you got to make sure you return them. If not, they're going to charge you, I believe it's $25 for each towel that you don't bring back and that you don't turn in. So, like I said, they will give them to you, but make sure that you bring it back and turn it back in as well, or leave it in your room. Number three is shampoos, body washes, and conditioners. The cruise ships that I've been on four so far, they all have had shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in the bathroom and the shower already. So you don't even have to bring those things. So that, of course, makes your bags lighter. And, of course, you don't have to worry about that going through TSA. Number four, books and magazines. Just know that I believe all cruise ships, or majority of them, should have a library where they have books that you can check out and all that kind of stuff. If for some reason they don't, I still would recommend that you, of course, if you have like a Kindle on your phone or some type of device where you can download your audiobooks and books from Amazon or wherever you want to get them from, like I said, make sure that you have those preloaded and ready to go. Number five, you definitely do not need any expensive jewelry. Some little jewelry like this or a little necklace is $5 or $10, $15 or whatever it is. That's all you need. Or just some earrings, or you don't need nothing at all. You don't want to end up losing a pair of diamond earrings or a necklace or that kind of thing. Be mindful that you don't need to bring your expensive jewelry at all. Just wear minimal to no jewelry if you can, so that you can still have a good time. Because I know with earrings like this, they have gotten hot in that sun and it burns my neck. So just be mindful of that. Number six, the hair dryer. Cruise ships have hair dryers just like hotels. Don't bring yours, leave it at home. They have one. Number seven, a clothing iron. Just know that these are usually banned on cruise ships, but sometimes the cruise ships may have a clothing service or a laundry service that they can iron your clothes for you and that kind of thing. There are ironing sprays that you can spray on your clothes that, of course, de-wrinkle, I guess if that's a word, your clothes too. Otherwise, I would recommend just taking stuff like t-shirts, shorts, things that you don't even have to iron. I don't know if the only thing I can see you having to iron is like if you're wearing a suit or some kind of dress that you're having formal. Other than that, the clothes that you're wearing on a cruise, let them be wrinkled. Nobody cares. They're all there to have fun. Number eight is bottled water. Just know that some cruise ships will allow you to have a 12-pack of soda, bottled waters per person to bring onto the cruise, to carry in your hand onto the cruise, and some actually don't. But for those that don't, I would just recommend, if you want to just bring your own reusable water bottle, just like this. As soon as I get it off the table, a reusable water bottle just like this, so you can fill it up in the dining room, and just going about your business. That way you don't have to worry about carrying all these heavy waters and all these types of things with you. Like I said, just get you a refillable water bottle. Bring it from home, because on the cruise ship it costs $20 and $30. So get one from Dollar Tree or somewhere you got at home that's not that much, that didn't cost that much, so you wouldn't have to spend so much buying it on the cruise. So like I said, that always works. Number nine is alcohol. Most cruise ships do not allow you to bring like the heavy alcohol, the liquors and that kind of thing on there. Some do, of course, allow you to bring on a 750 milliliter bottle of wine, like a regular bottle of wine. But some of them do charge corking fees, meaning that if you're bringing that bottle of wine on the cruise ship, they're going to pay you to open that wine. Otherwise, I wouldn't say do it yourself, because I don't want you to get in trouble, but like I said, they do pay you for that, and they do check. I guess I put it that way as well. But like I said, just keep in mind that when you're bringing wines on, that kind of thing, like I said, just keep in mind you can only have one per person. But like I said, the cruise ship, just ask them before you even do it. I'll find out how much it costs. But like I said, some of those corking fees can be $25 and $50 a piece. So like I said, definitely make sure that you be mindful of that. If not, just buy it on the cruise, or buy it while you're in port, have a drink while you're in port, that kind of thing, and don't worry about it. Number 10 is snacks. The cruise ship has all type of snacks, goodies, stuff at the buffet, cakes, pies, all kind of stuff that you need, ice cream. I think majority of them have free ice cream. So you don't need any kind of snacks to bring unless there's some specific that you know the cruise ship may not even have, like Muddy Buddies or something that's crazy. Other than that, do not bring any snacks. They will have everything that you need. And the last one, number 11, I was that clothing line. Just know that in every bathroom on the cruise ship, They have a clothing line that reaches somewhere up in the ceiling. You should be able to see it to pull it out, to hang your swimming suits on or swim shorts on, that kind of thing, so your clothes can dry before you pack them back into your bags. Just know you don't have to bring an actual clothing line with you. They already have that. And if you have trouble finding it, ask the cabin steward to help you. So I hope these 11 things helped. 11 things that you do not need to bring on a cruise ship. I hope this helped. So let me know in the comments which one of these things were you going to try to take, or have you tried to take on a cruise ship. I definitely want to know. Peace out.